The following segment is sponsored by Welch's, Planet O, and Spam. For foodies, this is a fun time of year for traditional Easter eats and spring treats. Here with some tasty suggestions is TV chef Cara Di Falco. Welcome to the show, Cara.
Hi, Kari. Thanks for having me.
Of course, your setup looks beautiful. You look great. What is the secret for elevating spring entertaining?
Thank you so much. So I always tell people, just think outside the box, even just a little bit. So on my show, Cara's Cucina, you'll often hear me say, make your food your own. And what I mean by that is just add that little detail that speaks to you, right? So it doesn't have to be anything really big or complicated. It can be as simple as a refreshing spring mocktail, an updated coffee beverage, or a new twist on a classic dessert.
Okay, love that. Now, what is a menu item that everyone can enjoy?
All right, let's talk about some drink inspiration, right? So whether you're hosting a casual picnic or a full-on Easter brunch, Welch's sparkling juices just really bring that nice, classy element to your event. So Welch's non-alcoholic sparkling juices are a crisp, light, and refreshing beverage, perfect for family gatherings. So these are really going to add that pop to your Easter celebration. Or the way that we use them, I use them most often, is actually when we're celebrating with family friends at Passover. All the kids at the table get their Welch's sparkling juice in their wine glasses, of course, so they get to fully participate in the tradition of the meal and the holiday. And it's really just about bringing everyone together at the table.
Yes, very fancy. Love it. And do you have a favorite go-to for brunch?
Okay, so we know there is no brunch without coffee, so of course we're going to have our coffee bars, but maybe somebody would like to add something a little bit new, and that I would suggest a smoothie. And for anybody who wants a plant-based option, Planet Oat's new Barista Lovers oat milk is my go-to. So Barista Lovers was crafted with baristas to be Planet Oat's best oat milk yet. It's got this perfectly balanced, velvety smooth texture that just offers a delicious way to elevate your at-home coffee experience. I like mine frothed into my morning cappuccino. You could drink it by the glass. I also swap it in for some of my baking recipes and of course in those smoothies because it's got that great texture that works with any beverage or recipe.
Ooh, yum. Okay, surprise us with something unique and tasty for a spring brunch menu.
Okay, Kari, if you want to get a little creative and play in the kitchen, try some Spam Maple Flavored. So Spam Maple Flavored is a versatile sweet and salty treat that is sure to complement your spring baking, Easter brunch, and more. So what I have made for you guys today is a mini apple cinnamon monkey bread. So you can see it looks like that little cinnamon roll. It's got the Spam on top. It's just a fun twist on a classic flavor and a classic favorite. And it shows you how flavorful and versatile the Spam Maple Flavored can be. You can actually find the recipe for those at spam.com, and you can find the product on Amazon as well as at your local grocery store.
Okay, very cool. And do you have any other spring or Easter suggestions for us?
Okay, for anybody who's hosting this year, definitely try to get ahead of yourself. So all of your baking, if you're going to do the monkey bread or any of your desserts, that stuff can be done ahead of time. You can do it a day or two in advance. Even a lot of your veggie prep, so if you're going to be peeling, chopping, or dicing anything, that could be done a day ahead of time and just stash it in a zip baggie or a container in the refrigerator. This way, day of, you get to enjoy your guests, you get to enjoy your meal and your holiday yourself.
Oh, yes. Yeah, good point. This all looks so delicious. Where can we go for more information, Cara?
For everything you saw here today and more, you want to head on over to tipsontv.com.
Amazing. Thank you so much for joining us. Have a wonderful day.
Thanks, you too.